Collins Aerospace's Goodrich winch and hoist business and its progenitors have been at the forefront of helicopter rescue hoist design for more than 4 decades. Its products have grown in a straight evolutionary pattern until now, when it recently introduced its 5th-generation hoist, a clean sheet design. To recognize the importance of the new design, the Goodrich team gave up its traditional number product identification for the name Pegasus.
Pegasus is truly a revolution in rescue. What we've done is we've taken everything we've learned in the past 40 years of life-saving equipment, and we've put together a design that's modular. It's modular hoist architecture for easy maintenance.
According to the company, adding modularity to the unit was a crucial part of its new design approach.
What we've done is we've taken pieces of the hoist and we've made it into modular pieces of equipment, which means that if something happens in the gearbox, you take the gearbox out, you put a new one in, and you're operational. We don't have to send the whole hoist back now if something is wrong with it.
Another task that was simplified is the removal and changing of the cable, which can now be accomplished in under 10 minutes without the need for special tools. Pegasus is also now smarter than its older siblings, according to Dimogenes.
What we've done with Pegasus is we've added what I call a mini HUMS, health usage monitoring system. We call it DASH, Data Acquisition Sensing and Health. And we've added sensors into the hoist, which we never had before.
On its newly designed pendant control, the Pegasus unit will display vital status information, such as the load on the hook, how much cable is currently paid out, any out-of-parameter incidents, or other unit health alerts.
And all of this information is being captured and stored for use later after action or after the mission, or you can have it as operational information for the crew.
The Pegasus hoist will weigh 106 pounds with a cable movement speed of up to 400 feet per minute and a 600-pound required load. Testing on the unit, which has already run more than 1 million cycles, is expected to be completed in 2021, with an expected certification and start of production. Entry into service is anticipated for the following year. Thanks for watching this AIN video. Please like, subscribe, and share it if you've enjoyed it. Also, visit AINonline.com for all the latest on the aviation industry.